Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Frankford Arsenal Rotary Tumbler. The Frankford Arsenal Platinum Series Rotary Tumbler is a standout tool for gun enthusiasts and reloaders looking to achieve clean, polished brass cases for reloading. With its large 7-liter capacity, clear viewing lids, and auto shut-off feature, it offers both convenience and performance for those involved in wet tumbling. Here's a detailed review of its features and performance. The 7-liter capacity is a significant plus for reloaders who need to clean a large number of brass cases at once. This tumbler can handle up to 1,000 pieces of .223 brass, making it ideal for high-volume reloaders. Whether you're cleaning rifle or pistol brass, the ample space ensures efficient cleaning in fewer batches. The Platinum Series Rotary Tumbler uses stainless steel media, which, combined with its powerful motor, delivers a deep clean that other tumbling methods struggle to match. The rotary action ensures that the brass is thoroughly cleaned both inside and out, even reaching the primer pockets. It's particularly effective for removing carbon buildup, tarnish, and oxidation from spent brass, leaving cases looking almost factory new. The clear viewing lids are a thoughtful addition, allowing users to monitor the progress of the cleaning cycle without having to stop the tumbler. This feature is especially useful if you want to check the brass for completion and adjust the tumbling time as needed, ensuring consistent results. Our second best wet tumbler for brass is Frankford Arsenal Quick and Easy Case Tumbler. The Frankford Arsenal Quick and Easy 110V Case Tumbler Kit is a practical, entry-level tool designed for cleaning and polishing brass cartridges in preparation for reloading. With its simple design, easy setup, and included sifter, this kit aims to make brass cleaning more efficient for reloaders who are looking for a hassle-free solution. This tumbler is straightforward to operate. Just load your brass, add the cleaning media, turn it on, and let it run. The kit's simplicity means there's little to no learning curve, and even new reloaders can achieve clean, polished brass with minimal effort. The rotary tumbling action is gentle but effective at removing debris, carbon, and residue from the brass casings. The sifter basket is a great addition to the kit, making it easier to separate the brass from the cleaning media after tumbling. This reduces the time spent handling the brass and media manually, helping you quickly prepare your brass for reloading. It's especially helpful if you're working with a lot of brass at once. The Quick and Easy Tumbler uses dry cleaning media, which works well for those who prefer this method over wet tumbling. The included media is typically treated corn cob or walnut shell, which is efficient at polishing the exterior of the brass to a shiny, smooth finish. It's particularly useful for cleaning tarnished brass that's been stored for a long time. Third pick in our list is Lyman Cyclone Rotary Tumbler. The Lyman 763-1550 Cyclone Rotary Tumbler is a top-tier option for those who prefer wet tumbling and need a large capacity, heavy-duty tumbler for their brass cleaning needs. Its ability to handle significant amounts of brass, combined with its efficient cleaning power using stainless steel media, makes it an excellent investment for serious reloaders. The Lyman Cyclone has an impressive capacity, capable of cleaning up to 1,000 pieces of .223 brass or 350.30-06 cases in one cycle. This makes it ideal for those who reload in bulk and want to clean large batches of brass efficiently. Its generous size significantly reduces the number of cycles you need to run, saving both time and effort. The Cyclone uses a wet tumbling method, which, when combined with the included stainless steel media, provides a deep clean both inside and out. Wet tumbling is particularly effective at removing carbon buildup, dirt, and even primer pocket residue. Wet tumbling generally delivers better results compared to dry media tumblers, especially for brass that's heavily tarnished or dirty. Lyman has crafted this tumbler with durability in mind. The drum is made from thick, heavy-duty plastic that holds up well to regular use. The tumbler also comes with a durable, watertight seal to ensure there are no leaks during the wet tumbling process. It's built to handle frequent and long cleaning cycles without compromising performance. Number 4 in our side is Lyman 763-1327 Twin Tumbler. The Lyman 763-1327 Twin Tumbler is a versatile and user-friendly dry media tumbler designed for reloaders who need an efficient way to clean and polish their brass cases. It comes with 2 separate tumbling bowls, which allow users to clean different calibers or types of brass simultaneously. The standout feature of the Lyman Twin Tumbler is its dual bowl design. This allows you to clean 2 different batches of brass at the same time, making it a huge time saver for reloaders who work with multiple calibers. You can keep smaller batches separate or run different cleaning media in each bowl, which adds flexibility to the cleaning process. The tumbler's vibratory action, combined with dry media, does a good job of removing dirt, tarnish, and powder residue from brass cases. After a typical tumbling cycle of a few hours, the brass comes out clean and polished, ready for reloading. While dry tumbling isn't as aggressive as wet tumbling, it still delivers satisfactory results for most reloaders, especially for lightly tarnished or dirty brass. Number 5 in our top 5 best wet tumbler for brass list is Hornady Rotary Case Tumbler. The Hornady Rotary Case Tumbler is an excellent choice for reloaders who need an efficient, high-capacity wet tumbler for cleaning their brass. Its stainless steel pins and large drum ensure that your brass comes out polished, spotless, and ready for reloading, making it ideal for those who demand the best cleaning results. This method is highly effective at cleaning both the inside and outside of the brass, as well as primer pockets. The result is shiny, almost new-looking brass that is free from dirt, grime, and oxidation. Wet tumbling provides a more thorough clean compared to dry tumbling, which mainly cleans the exterior of the cases. With a 6-liter drum and the ability to hold up to 5 pounds of brass, this tumbler is perfect for medium to large batches. It saves time for those who need to clean a significant number of cases in one go, such as competitive shooters or bulk reloaders. The large drum also allows for better agitation of the tumbling media, which ensures more effective cleaning. The tumbler comes with high-quality stainless steel pins, which are a game changer in the cleaning process. These pins are durable and reusable, making them a cost-effective choice over time. They easily reach into primer pockets and the inside of cases, providing a more thorough cleaning than standard dry media.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.